In this video, you will learn how to deactivate an Agoda listing. Log into your Agoda account or your yield control system, open the Agoda YCS portal, then sign in using your property management credentials. Select your property. From the dashboard, choose your specific property that you want to deactivate. Go to Room Setting or Availability. Navigate to the Room Setting or Availability section in the menu options. Choose to close all room types or block your calendar. Stop new bookings temporarily. Choose all room types and mark all dates unavailable on the calendar. Contact our Agoda support for permanent removal. If you want to permanently remove the listing, you'll need to reach out to Agoda partner support, then wait for the full deactivation of the property. Wait for confirmation. Agoda will review and process your request. Once approved, your listing will no longer appear on the site. Now you know. Now you know how to deactivate your listing on Agoda. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.